So once your directory is initialized successfully using Terraform init command, then you can go ahead and just use Terraform plan command and Terraform apply command to create the resources. Okay, so first we are going to use Terraform plan, and before initiating this command, let me open up my web browser and go to the Azure portal. And here you can see there is no resource group created using this particular resource group 1 naming standard. Okay, there is only a one resource group created over here in my subscription. So let me go ahead and click on this Terraform plan. And you can see that it's actually creating this tf state file over here, terraform.tf state. We'll talk about that later. And here you can see that our command is completed successfully, and it's showing you the symbol that is this green color plus sign, and it's showing that it's going to create that, and this will add this everything. So this will create this resource group using this particular parameter values, and it will also create the ID which we will get once it is created, once it is done with the apply command. And here in plan you can also see that it's going to add one resources. Nothing is going to change or nothing is going to destroy. There is 0 count over there, only 1 count in add resources. Okay, so it means that it's going to create that particular resource. Okay, so let me go ahead and create Terraform apply, and once I hit enter, it will start creating the resources, but it will also ask me it will give me a prompt to confirm that you want to create this particular resources. So it's giving me this particular prompt message that it is going to create the resources, and which resources is going to create. This is the resources or this is the resource which is going to create. So it will give you a prompt message that enter a value and only yes will be accepted. So if you use any other value than yes, then it will just cancel this deployment. So I will go ahead and click on yes. So now it successfully created that particular resource group. So let me switch back to my resource group portal, and here if I click on refresh, sometimes it takes some time to replicate that on Azure portal. Here you go. So it's successfully created that particular resource group in this particular region, West Europe, which we have mentioned over here. So this is how you can use Terraform plan command and Terraform apply command. So one thing that you need to make sure that Terraform plan command will only give you the what if result. So if you use this particular, if you're using this all configuration and if you are creating any resources, so it's better to use Terraform plan before apply. So it will just tell you that okay, your configuration is correct, and if using this particular configuration, it will create this all resources. Okay, and once you are confirmed that everything is fine, the configuration is fine, this is the resources you want to create on your portal, then go ahead and use Terraform apply command to create that resources.